Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a new keyboard that I just got in. It is the KitAdam by KBDCraft. So let's get this package open. When I was browsing social media and I saw this keyboard, I just knew I had to get it. Lego and keyboards kind of my thing, so here it is. So cracking this thing open, we have two of the free figures they throw in. The switches, the keycaps, the bricks that will later become the case for the entire keyboard, a coiled cable, and the stabilizers. Here are the instructions. And these are the base plates for the basic keyboard. That's 60% PCB. Here is the plate foam. And lastly, we have the plate. Let's build up these two figures, get them out of the way. We got a little piggy with a treasure chest on his back. And a creeper.
Oh, man.
Let's take a closer look at the switches they provided in kit. They are the Switch S squared, a short travel linear switch. Right off the bat, I can feel that they are very snappy, and I don't think they'll require any lube. These keycaps come in very cool packaging, like little Ziploc bags. The provided keycaps are white and gray. So let's actually build this thing, what I bought this kit for. Just flipping open the manual here. We gotta pour out these bricks and line up these base plates. So putting on these plates here, I can feel that the plastic is not as high quality as something like Lego, but that was to be expected. Throwing these gaskets on, I can tell you that you should leave on the little white sticker pieces that they have for like the studs that go through, because otherwise they'll get stuck to the stud and it's really annoying to get off. Let us move on to building like the core of the kit. Let's grab these essentials here. This is the 60% PCB, and they all have south-facing sockets, no cherry profile interference, and it has some really cool branding as well. And just line everything up. These stabilizers included are plate mounted, but they come pre-lubed, and they also come pre-clipped, so you don't have to worry about that. And for the fun part, let's put on these switches. With that done, let's throw this in the case and put on these keycaps. You can already tell by putting on these keycaps that this is going to be a really bouncy feeling keyboard, which I am all for. With that spacebar in, let's finish up this case, put on the feet, and let's go to the sound test. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It took me a while to edit and put together. I wanted to do something a bit more high quality for the channel. I have no idea when I'm going to post next or what I'm going to post, but if you want to stick around for that, click subscribe. If not, I'll see you later. Oh, and please excuse the discoloration in my hand. I scalded it the day before recording.